Hello friends, welcome to my video. I am Sion. I am a blogger and YouTuber, and today I am talking about an interesting and important topic, that is how to promote your business successfully by the using of various kind of digital media, various kind of social media. So this video is going to very interesting video for you, because if you are watching this video till the end, so you can get all the related notification related to how to promote your business successfully. So if you are not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so that you can get all the notification of different video related to personality development, related to online money making tips, blogging, marketing and digital marketing. So let's start. Today's topic is how to promote your business by the using of various kind of digital media or social media. So let's talk about this. So guys, there are so many people, so many individual, they have their own business, but they don't know how to promote their business or how to run their business successfully by the using of various kind of digital media. They don't know how to shift their business from offline to online and shift their business in an online space. So in this video I will talk about all the steps related to how to promote your business successfully by the using of various kind of digital media, step by step. So keep watching my video and let's start. So there are the first step of online promotional strategy, that is search engine optimization. So if you have your small business, you should have your own website related to your product, related to your company, related to which service you are providing to your customer. So you should have website and you should go for the proper SEO strategy. You should implement proper SEO technique, strategy and tools inside your website, so that your website can rank number 1 position or number 2 position in any kind of search engine. It may be Google or any other. So search engine optimization is an effective tools, effective technique which is used to rank any website and it in search engine, and it helps to differentiate your website from another website or your competitor's website. So search engine optimization is not a paid tool, it is completely free. You can easily build your business organically, and this is an organic way to build your brand or to sell your product and services which you are providing to your customer. So this is the number 1 stage of online promotional strategy, that is search engine optimization. Number 2, that is search engine marketing. Search engine marketing is obviously a paid tool, and you paid to the search engine and for promoting your product and services, for promoting your website. Guys, you have noticed that when you search for any kind of topic in Google, you see that there are number 1 or number 2 page available in the internet, and below the page there is a ad in a yellow button or green button. So this is the search engine marketing. So search engine marketing is a pay per click, that is technically called pay per click. So you can definitely go for search engine marketing if you have enough money, if you have enough fund for your business to run your business successfully and to and do online branding, so that you can build your own brand image in front of a large target audience. Target audience means they are the specific kind of audience which you are targeting to sell your product and services, or to sell your organization's product and services. So these are your basically target audience. So by the using of paid strategy, inorganic strategy like search engine marketing, you can easily build your branding, you can easily build your brand image, you can easily sell your product and services properly to your target audience or target customer. So this is the number 2. Number 3 point is very interesting and important point, that is social media marketing. If you have own business, if you are the owner of a business, if you have your small business or large business, which kind of business it is not matter. So you should have your own social media page where you can post it related content, where you will post related video content, audio, text related to your product and services which you are offering to your customer. So you should have your proper social media page. There are different kind of social media available in the market, and you go for all of them social media. You have to cover all the social media properly to build your brand image, to sell your product and services. So social media marketing takes an important role, and it is a cost effective technique to promote your product and services properly, or to sell or buy your product and services. So social media marketing is very important field. Number 4, that is one of the most important for promoting your product and services if you have your own business, that is blogging. You should have your own website, and you have to write blog regularly related to your product, about your brands, about your vision, mission of the company, and about your product and services which you are offering to your customers. So you have your own blog, and this blog is basically works for your company. And if you don't know how to create blogs, so for creating blog you don't have any coding or programming knowledge to create your own blog. There are so many content management system, that is called CMS. It may be WordPress, it may be Wix.com, it may be blogger.com. So you can pick up one content management system or CMS, so that you can create your own blog easily. And there is no coding knowledge required, no programming knowledge like Java, Python, C++. They are not required. But if you have skill in this programming language, so you can customize your website in a better way. You can add options or remove options from them. So you should have your own blog to promote your business or to promote your product and services. And remember guys, you should have proper SEO strategy. You should implement the proper SEO technique, proper SEO strategy to rank your blog or to rank your website. Number 5, that is very important, that is your company's YouTube channel. You should have your YouTube channel, and you can you might post videos related to your product and services which you are providing to your customers. So you obviously should have your YouTube channel, and YouTube channel plays an important role, and you can go for the YouTube marketing or video marketing strategy to market your product and services or to sell your product and services. Number 6, that is very important, that is affiliate marketing. If you have your own business, if you have your own small business, so you should go for affiliate marketing. And you have to create your affiliate marketing page by the using of various kind of tools, and promote your product and services through your affiliate marketing. And the last and very important stage is the basically most important stage is e-commerce. You should shift your business, and you should have your own e-commerce store to promote your product and services, or to buy or sell your product and services. So how can you build your own e-commerce store? You can easily build your own e-commerce store by the using of various kind of platforms like Amazon, like Flipkart, and many more. So you can easily create your own store in Amazon or Flipkart or any kind of e-commerce platform, so that you can buy or you can sell your product and services towards the large target audience or to your customer. So thank you for watching my video till the end, and if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notification related to many videos in different topics like social media marketing, search engine marketing, inspiring videos, motivational videos, educational videos. So thank you for watching.